Hello everyone, and happy Sunday. Another day that the Lord has made. We all rejoice and be glad in it. Father, we thank you. When the trumpet sound, eternity begins, like a thief in the night. If the owner of a house know at what time of night the thief was coming, he will have kept watch and will not let his house be broken into. So you and myself also must be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you and I do not expect him. The scripture recorded in the book of 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 2. For yourself know perfectly that the day of the Lord so cometh as a thief in the night. We should all be living as if Jesus Christ was crucified yesterday, raised from dead this morning, and is coming back this afternoon. Are you ready? Dear friends, Jesus Christ will return like a thief in the night, but we don't know the exact day. Therefore, keep watching. Always remember, eternity is real. God bless you.